It's a package from Magix Buttons. It's going to be magical. Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector. Welcome back to the YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to talk about something weird, something obscure. The guys from Magix Buttons sent me this to review, to check it out for you. Very curious, what are we going to get? This is the Playcom Go Kanki? Something like this? I really have no clue how to pronounce it. But nevertheless, I'm guessing this is an 8-bit clone. It looks like a Pokemon system. It even has the same font. Alright, this is going to be funny. It's going to be exciting. It's going to get very wicked. So let's open it up. Let's see what we're going to get. Alright, so I'm guessing I got the yellow color. So this is packed up very tight. I thought it was... Hello? I thought there was some Chinese manual over here, but... Oh, here it is. Oh, it's not even a manual, just more like a poster. Ah, and I am guessing it's including games. Oh, that is really cool. That is really nice. Okay, very curious what are we going to get more. So we can see it comes with the system itself, AVL power, and 2 weird controllers. Ooh, this is going to be there's going to be an unsealing. Ooh. Alright, let's get a knife. Let's get something to cut it. Alright, so let's see what we're going to get. I removed the seal. This is the best I can do. We have the system itself. Ooh, a lot of plastic, people. Oh, wait, we need to test out the smelly test. Chemical plastic. But right, so what this thing looks pretty funny. The shape of it is really cool. It's not closing very perfectly, but that is not a very big problem. We're having 2 ports over here. The power and the reset. With cartridge slot. I'm very curious if this thing comes with some built-in games, or if it are built-in games, decent built-in games. At the back we're finding AV out and the power input. Yeah, that's what we're going to get. So there's the information at the back. I'm guessing this one is produced in 2016, so it's quite old. Alright, let's see what we have more. There's nothing here. Oh, this is interesting. So this means that this system is working on 5 volts. Okay, I need to grab myself a 5-volt converter. That comes with the AV out cables. The composite, nothing special. Let's see what we have more. We have the controller. I'm going to unpack one controller. I'm not going to unpack them both. You like that? Especially for you. Alright, so the controls are freaking flimsy. This one is really bad. No shoulder buttons. Yeah, I think we're not going to need it. So yeah, the flimsy controller. This is what you're going to get. Really funny controller if you ask me. So the set, the Playcom Go. To be honest, I really like it. I love it. Let's put it this way, I love how it looks. Alright, let's hook it up. Going to grab myself a USB converter and let's play some games. Yahoo! Ooh. They're not naughty because there are actually 30 games inside. Okay, I'm very curious, are they rip-off from original games or are they just homebrew games? Let's try Sky Zone. This control is horrible, but yeah. You can always use your original one if you like. What's the point of this game? Alright. Oh yeah, I need to jump on this platform, I'm guessing. I can't take this anymore! Yeah, okay, reset. Ah, it seems to be working. Whale. Alright. I am a whale and I'm dropping bombs on other whales, or... Who came up with this? This is the game in... Oh, I just finished the first game. Oh my god, no, I don't want to play that anymore. I want to be a fairy. Okay. Oh, shoot him up. Use the turbo button. That sound. Next one. Interstellar. I knew it was something with a spaceship, of course. Let me guess. Shoot him up with a spaceship. Oh, that looks pretty cool. Oh, I already blew it, but... Okay, we get a point. We get the point. Pipe link. Oh, yep. The puzzle game. Yep. Yeah. So... we cannot remove it anymore, but okay, we're getting the point. Different picture. Differences. Okay, I'm saying different picture. Differences picture. What the hell? Ah. Okay, this is really cool. Oh, I need to pinpoint it correctly. Oh yeah, I already... But it made the... Oh, you need to fix it. Something like this. Okay. I can really appreciate games like this, but I don't find the other thing, the other difference. Where is the other difference? I can't see it. I don't see it. Where is it? Ah. Okay, let's see. One by one. There's some weird stuff. Oh, okay, what just happened? What just happened? Or more like a snake game. Okay, cool. Get it. Next one. Transmission Super Mechanica? Okay. I'm just going to skip some of the games because otherwise this video is going to be a 2-hour video. Me playing games. Oh, that happens when I'm standing in there. Okay. Cool baby. Kicking now. Oh, you just need to kick it or what? No idea what I need to do. I have really no clue. Okay, let's see. Puzzle, Bubbles puzzle. To be honest, I don't care. Let's go to the next one. Let's see. Do we have Bomb King? Is this a Bomberman clone? Made in 2004. Position barrack. Okay. And now? Oh, I get the point. Yes, this is more like... Yeah, okay. I just bombed my own barracks, by the way. Yeah, I bombed my own barracks, but nevertheless, you get the point. Roadman! Roadman! Okay, so I need to fix the road and people can drive through. No, we need to build a bridge here. Wow. So within the time you need to fix the road and let the car drive. Alrighty then. Stage 2. Wrong! Yeah, I know. And of course we can play original Famicom games. So what I'm noticing with this bootleg system, the signal output is not bad at all. No real big interference of any big problems that you see with these very old systems. Sound is great. Turbo button. The touch of this single button is not perfect, but the controller plays just fine. Sorry guys, need to play it. So to be honest, I'm really surprised about this system. It's feeling really cheap. The controls are feeling sometimes very horrible, but they play freaking fine. Oh yeah. Nope, don't want to be there. I don't want to be there. I don't drive the ferry. Going to play Die Hard mode. No power up. Oh, the skateboard. Ooh, that was close. Can I? No. I failed myself. Alright, so for the final conclusion regarding the Playcom Go, the Pokemon lookalike console. I'm very curious, are there people out there who collect these systems? I'd really love to know, so leave it in the comments. So what you're going to get, of course, a flimsy controller. I think it's more like a collectible, but it plays fine, to be honest. And it plays Famicom games. The 30 games are built in. There are even some, I would say new, but there are some not really old games. There are homebrew games that are produced, for example, in 2004. So they're not from the 80s and the 90s. So that's pretty cool. Some unique games, rip off from original games. So this is what you're going to get. Let me know what you think of this. Really love to know. And I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the little bell for more awesome Wicked content. And for gaming, don't forget to check out the Wicked Gaming channel. See you next time. Bye-bye.
Come out! It doesn't come out!